Hello, and thank you for your interest in joining Eta Sigma Gamma, our National Health Education Honorary at the University of North Florida. We are the Alpha Gamma chapter and are so excited to share this journey with you over the next few semesters. To begin, I just wanted to go through a little history and background of Eta Sigma Gamma. This honor society was founded in 1967 in Indiana, and the intended purpose was to provide an organization that would further the professional competence and dedication of the individual members in and for the health education and health science discipline. Eta Sigma Gamma also corresponds with the acronym HSC, which stands for Health Science and is the code for many of your classes at the university. The official ESG insignia bears the official colors of Eta Sigma Gamma and consists of a triangle surrounded by 3 joined circles. The triangle is divided into 4 equilateral triangles. These 4 triangles contain the following symbols: a lamp, which represents learning, a microscope signifying research, an outstretched hand representing service, and an open book representing education. Our goal is that our students are engaged in each of these 4 areas. The official flower of the Honor Society is the trillium. Its 3-pronged petal represents the 3 facets of service, advocacy, education, and research. The purpose of the UNF Alpha Gamma chapter of Eta Sigma Gamma is to A. Provide members with the opportunity to become acquainted with and enjoy the fellowship of students and faculty whose professional interests are dedicated to the health education discipline, to keep members informed of recent trends in health education, to promote professional growth and leadership, to encourage outstanding people to enter the health education field, to elevate professional standards and ethics of the discipline, to stimulate and recognize research, service, and academic achievement of members, and finally, to assist in the professional preparation of health education students and faculty at the University of North Florida. The main goal, however, is just that our students are gaining what they want out of the Honor Society, whether that be social opportunities, networking, workshops, professional development, or just having fun with a group of like-minded people. There's a little bit of something for everyone at Eta Sigma Gamma, and we can't wait to learn what your goals are for your education and future career so we can create more opportunities that will help you achieve these goals. Next, I just wanted to go through the membership application requirements. So as you know, only junior or senior Bachelor of Science in Health students with a minor in health education or Master of Public Health students are eligible to apply. Applicants must also have an upper-level GPA of 3.0 in HSC 3000 to 4000 courses or graduate HSC courses. If you do not meet the GPA requirement, however, you are still able to apply but will be placed on a probationary membership and must have a 3.0 GPA by the time you graduate to receive official honorary regalia. With the application, you need to make sure you're submitting your $75 application fee, a completed application and photo release form, a copy of your unofficial transcripts or degree evaluation reflecting your GPA. This one's very important as many students forget this, as well as a $10 t-shirt order form made out to cash or check. Members are also expected to attend the mandatory information session online or in person during the semester they submit their application. Applications will open at the beginning of the fall and spring semesters, so be on the lookout for open application emails sent out on Canvas to the BSH and MPH groups. Applications are not accepted during summer semesters. However, members are still eligible to receive cords during summer graduation as long as they remain active during this semester. Initiation ceremonies will take place in the April following your application submission. Members will receive invites through their email to sign up for the initiation ceremony, which is a formal event hosted by Eta Sigma Gamma to celebrate their induction into the Honor Society. Family is welcome to attend the initiation ceremony, and more details will be given via invitation when these are sent out. Next, I wanted to go over maintaining an active membership. Members are required to attend at least 3 events per semester. Examples of events include professional development workshops, group service events, educational events, social events, and more. Members are further required to serve at least 5 hours each semester, except for their semester of internship at an organization of their choice. Group service events can also be used for this requirement, as long as they don't overlap with the 3 events per semester requirement. Members must also download and review the membership packet and sign membership agreement after they've been accepted into the student organization. Members are also required to pay $10 in chapter dues each semester after application. These are to be accumulated and paid upon picking up cords to make sure that we don't lose any information throughout the semesters and members don't end up overpaying. Just a note, it is your responsibility as a member of the Eta Sigma Gamma National Health Education Honorary to keep track of your own participation in volunteer service forms throughout your 2 semesters of activity to be submitted during your semester of graduation. On this note, members must be active the semester prior to and of graduation in order to receive official green and gold honorary regalia. Meaning, if you graduate in summer, you need to be active during the spring and summer semesters in order to receive cords. On the following page, I just want to show everyone examples of the past organizations we've partnered with in education and service events. All of these organizations are spread throughout Jacksonville and at the university, and we're very excited to share these experiences and networking opportunities with our students. I also wanted to go over officer positions. Officer positions are always open at Eta Sigma Gamma. If you're interested in participating as an officer on our executive committee, please reach out to unfetasigmagamma@gmail.com. Officer positions are a great way to gain leadership experience, receive awards, network as an executive committee officer with community partners and professors, participate in additional opportunities for growth in the health education profession, and it looks great on a resume. We do not require our officers to have any previous leadership experience, but we do ask that they are committed to their role and are willing to attend meetings and help facilitate events throughout the semesters that they serve as officers on our executive board. We hope you enjoyed our presentation and are as excited as we are to have you join Eta Sigma Gamma Alpha Gamma chapter. Remember, applications open at the beginning of the fall and spring semesters, so be on the lookout for the open application email. If you have any further questions or concerns related to joining the UNF Alpha Gamma chapter of Eta Sigma Gamma, please reach out to us at unfetasigmagamma@gmail.com. We are more than happy to answer any questions you have and can't wait to work with each of you over the next few semesters.